Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of manually tracking your employees' work time? What a nightmare. Introducing the AMANO TCX-35 time clock for employees. A total game changer. This king-size time clock is a must-have for any business. With its high capacity and warranty, you know you're in good hands. Imagine being able to automatically adjust year, month, date and time, as well as leap year and daylight savings. It's like having your own personal assistant. The AMANO TCX-35 time clock for employees is ideal for tracking employees' work time, document control and mailroom requirements, making it a versatile addition to your office. You can even print custom messages such as received, paid, file and more. In multiple languages, the sound of the printer is music to your ears. With a ribbon ink capacity indicator, you'll never run out of ink at a crucial moment. The feel of the smooth printing is so satisfying. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. It just makes life easier. For example, with the AMANO TCX-35 time clock for employees, you can easily track employee work hours and print out custom reports. The texture of the printed paper is so professional. This time clock is also made in the USA and has a 1-year factory warranty, giving you peace of mind. Whether you're a small business or a large corporation, the AMANO TCX-35 time clock for employees is the perfect solution for all your time tracking needs. It's a no-brainer. So why settle for a boring, outdated time clock when you can have a cutting-edge, high-tech time clock like the AMANO TCX-35? It's the best decision you'll ever make. With its advanced features and sleek design, it's the perfect addition to any office, and with its warranty, you know you're protected. So what if this helped hit? Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.